I think what's so unique about UC Davis is that it's sort of in the DNA of the university to have these sorts of experiential learning experiences. And in the College of Agricultural and Environmental Sciences, we have a really broad array of ways to help students get those experiential learning opportunities. And so we look at our agricultural work, our environmental work, as well as our human and social science work. And each one of those areas, those three areas, has very specific opportunities for students. And they get an opportunity to select what they want to do. We don't tell them. We say, here's all the opportunities. And then you get to, dig down into that passion of yours and say, this is what I want to try. To me, that is really, really exciting. And our students have the opportunity to take those courses and get that experience on the farm. We have a student farm where students work as interns. Some are paid, some are for credit. Students get the opportunity to grow food for our own CSA, and then they also provide all their excess fruits and vegetables to the food bank. So again, learning that community service at the same time. I have students that are volunteering now and doing some experiential learning in that Lake Shasta Basin in environmental sciences. They're working with a professor on fish, looking at trout, and it's part of this great big research project, and they get to be a part of it as well. I have students that go out to Bodega Marine Lab for the summer, and because the commute is just a little too much, there's actually a small dormitory out there, and what we try to do with some of our experiential learning money is to enable those students be able to afford to be in that dorm for the summer. So my human and social scientists, a lot of them are looking at the human experience, and they're looking a lot at how we make decisions. We also have human social scientists that are studying children. And so we have people that are working in the early childhood laboratory. And I think, that's so exciting. It's a really interesting study is to watch how children grow. And then you can advise parents on how to nurture that growth better. And so that's a really, really neat area. And I'm so happy that we have that in the college. It really broadens out all the things that we work on. So we're finding that the experiential learning opportunities that we provide our students really gives them a chance to sort of expand their minds and think about the broader possibilities for their career aspirations. And also gives them an opportunity to kind of apply what they've learned in class and actually do it in the real world.